Alright, hi guys, Learn STEM with Chris here. So today we're doing some little coding. You can do this in your computer also. My phone is a machine, so I like doing things both here and in my PC. So today we're going to see how we can find the average or the mean of of numbers. So first I'm going to create a Python file called mean.py. Nano will take me to a place I will edit, just like you can see. I've not saved it yet, so it is mean.py. Alright, so first thing, I'm going to define a function. Okay, let me give the numbers first. That will be easier. So I'll put numbers equal to, then I'm going to use, so let me put 10, 20, 30. You can increase it as we want. Let me just put 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is a list of numbers. Now, what do I want to do with these numbers? So first thing, I will define a function called mean. And this mean of numbers. So numbers, I'll put in bracket because it's a function that takes numbers. Okay, I'll put numbers. I'll just edit the first one. So also put numbers here. Okay, now done. If I press enter, it comes to the same line. If it's some editor, since it's a function, they'll give you an indent. So inside this function, what do I want to do? I want it to return something. Return sum. So sum, Python already recognizes sum. So sum the numbers. Sum all the numbers. Remember the formula for mean, right? Then divide by the numbers we have. So in Python, there's what we call length. So length of numbers. So how many numbers are there? So I put numbers. So this is done. So it takes me to a new line. So I finished telling it. So I want it to print. So what do I want it to print? I want it to print mean. So I want it to print mean. So I think that's done. So I'll just press Ctrl X to exit. X, Ctrl X. So it's going to ask me, do you want to save? Yes. So I'm done. So that's saved. So if I want to run that file, I'll come Python 3 mean.py. Okay, there's a problem. Yeah, that's beauty. So I think I deliberately made that mistake so that you can see it gives you suggestions. So I'll go nano again. So whenever you write a function, so when you are debugging, you know. So whenever you're writing a function, you need to put colon. So Control X. Yes, done. So let's go back. Okay, function mean. Okay, maybe I must have typed something wrong. Let's see. Mean. Okay, let's see what happened. Numbers. Okay, Ctrl X. Python. Okay, let's see what happened. So this is the debugging. Something also define mean Okay, return sum and length of numbers, print mean. Okay, I see where the mistake is. So I'm not printing mean, I'm printing mean of numbers. Okay, I'm printing mean of the numbers. So now it will be correct. So I'm printing mean of the numbers. I'm not printing mean. It's a hold function. So let's see. Boom, that's correct. So the mean of those numbers. So I can see the beauty about coding is you can add to these numbers. It doesn't change. The formula is already there. So even if I have 69, 59, Control X, yes, then if I run the function again, it gives me the answer. So this is the beauty of coding. So one formula or one function or one write-up, one code gives you the same answer even if you change the numbers. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe. This is Learn STEM with Chris, and stay up for upcoming videos.